Nico's the one sitting in the dish. She's just content sitting in there. Looks like she's gonna go to sleep.
What are those things called?
A microwave dish. Nico's the calico sitting in the dish. Hi, Nico. Meow. She fell asleep. Nico's falling asleep in there. Poseidon is the white one, or Casper, or AK Marshmallow. He's more of a marshmallow than anything else. This one's Pumpkin. He's meowing. Meowing. Meow. Hey, Chico.
Chico.
Chico's my favorite. He's the gray one. He's my favorite. Like, this one's falling asleep standing up. That one fell asleep in the bucket. And that one's falling asleep sitting up too. These kids are weirdos.
No,
This one's all waking them all up.
Here, let's take Pumpkin out and then watch Chico.
He's falling asleep.
Watch
No,
him.
he's falling asleep just standing up.
I was like, cat, you were
These cats are special, man.
Chico fall asleep.
Nico is hilarious. She fell asleep in the water. That is funny as hell. That is funny. That's way funny.